Hello students, let us understand the concept of latching into the PLC ladder diagram. So I will be starting with new program. I will give name as a latching. Okay, so for latching I will be having one push button as an input and one will be the output. That could be the bulb or that could be any other output. So one push button will be there and I will be using one branch here. So one push button which is normally open. I will be taking one another push button in normally open button in OR gate kind of scenario, and I will be taking one output here. Now I'm done with the arrangement. Now I will be giving names. So the name of the first input button is input 0 and name of this output is output 1, output 0, right? Now the same name I am going to give here, because whenever I am releasing the push button, the output should energize. So I will be giving this name as a output 0. Okay, so I am done with this particular case. Now if I try to execute it, you can see that whenever I operate this I0, my output will energize, and even after releasing this I0, output will keep energized. But the problem with this is, how can I stop this? Okay, so for stopping I need another button to stop this particular output which is getting energized. So what I will do, I will modify this program. So instead of this straight line, I will be using another normally closed switch here, and I will give name of this switch is input 1. Okay, so I will be having now two push buttons. First push button is I0 and second push button is I1. I will save this program and I will run this application. Now you can see that whenever I am operating the first push button, it will start my output. Even after closing this push button, my output will keep running, and whenever I wanted to shut down this output or whenever I wanted to stop this output, I will be operating I1. So when I1 is operated and even after it is released, my output will be closed. So this is the concept of latching into PLC ladder programs. Thank you for watching video. Keep practicing.